everybody. Good morning to you all. Parents are the beautiful and precious gift from God. Let's wish them a happy birthday.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do-do-do-do-do. Run away, do-do-do-do-do. Run away, do-do-do-do-do. Run away.
इनके नाम हैं अनेक, पर इनका मतलब सिर्फ एक, हमारे जीवन का अस्तित्व, जिनको हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं। हमें इस दुनिया में लाने वाले, एक अलग पहचान देने वाले, हमारी जिंदगी के सबसे पहले भगवान, जिनको हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं। चलना फिरना, दौड़ना, खाना पीना, प्यार करना, जीवन की इंपॉर्टेंस सीख देने वाले हमारे सबसे पहले टीचर को हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं।
मुझे इस दुनिया में लाया, मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मुझे इस दुनिया में लाया, मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया।
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी। हो खुदा पे भी असर, तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
But you love me, Daddy. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे
बच्चे दुनिया में खुश नसीब होते हैं जो मम्मी डैडी के करीब होते हैं।
मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम। तुझसे पहले लूंगा मम्मी डैडी का नाम, तुझसे पहले लूंगा मम्मी डैडी का नाम।
చకరక చీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి గిడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికిచకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులుసులు మల్ మకనక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో బగడదుం చగడదుం చికిచకచో.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए दिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। टैंकर फुल आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल, ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे। मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम। रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना, प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया। ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया, ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है। खुद से सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
DTAADC to kindly come forward and share her valuable thoughts.
Jotono Fuenkaha, a very good morning to everyone. Respected brother principal, all the fathers, sisters, my two colleagues, honorable member of district council, Sri Sodakar Koloi, honorable member of district council, Sri Ganesh Devarma, our former executive member, Sri Chandradoy Rupini, all the school committees, respected teachers, lovely parents, and beautiful creation of God, our lovely students. Tiri most of them khatsamo khakaham yafam chu, sini school authority, sini Montfort School, especially brother Josno, Buang by Chichi doing Krungye, plus over a telephone he communicated to me. Tini mo platform tongri ba pandawo. Tini jung thousands of guardians, tini thousands of students no. Jung kaya put him biyo, achai khaye, without education, bohasa ka bro ni kuno value grow. Tini jung Montfort School. As I also said in the earlier program when I came here, I said Montfort School is one of the best schools in Tripura. Let us give a huge round of applause for Montfort School. Tinyo, tung as a guardian, tini proudly, turo tini ko stage simsyo, bo auditorium simsyo tung paimay mo, bo kihati my golden opportunity. Kintu who brought this golden opportunity? That is the biggest question. Tini mo opportunity tung may hatin sabi no no pro amani ba pandawo. Tung guardian no tung grow get together na. This school, the teachers and the students has kept a special respect and importance to the parents. Tini mama guardians no importance ni mani ba pandawo. Tung parents somebody feel. Tung parents somebody tung nijer khud siya ba pandawo. Tini program no tini Montfort School laru ha. Amaya hamay marinay, the little children of God, the future of our society, the asset of our society. Now to protect the asset of the society, without past there is no present, without present there is no future. Yesterday, without yesterday there can be today, and without today there can be tomorrow. So without the students, there is no future. To protect these students, to protect the students, to inculcate them, to impart proper education, to bring them, to make them socialize. It is whose responsibility? Sponita yutunai, jinim sano tu school hor kyonya, jinim mampa, tai puro je anger kene pungsabu. Parents are the first educator. Yes, of course. Parents are the first educator. After certain age, after 3 years or after 5 years, we send our children to the school, having much more faith and responsibility, entrusting to the school, to the teachers, to the school authority. Amo pandamu orang samsumoge, tini jom future hiyo, tini jinim samiro jom sakusi, tini samong the parent must be crying, tini mam haro tini samiro samong ada kakna, ada makakna, ninim sarong samong niru kaya de, abu mukti kamu mukti ba, khusi umur mukti yes. I need to write a hampiya tini ro skulon, nursery to I need some only couple of months. I need some sitting in a beautiful stage with somebody. I need to write in a vocation of Masuna here, tini maro maka, bukaro kakla into kumali nation kakansi, bukaro makaka, abu makao. Tinu as a parent, what do you want from the students? If the students are singing backside, I want our lovely students to listen. As a parent, I have 2 daughters in this school. One is in class 7 and the other one is in class 2. I'm a mother of 2 kids. As a mother, what do I feel? When I come back from the workplace, even yesterday I entered home at 10:30. Some days, getting into a political field, as a social worker, we have a larger role to play in the work field. Therefore, sometimes we get home very late too. Zagawa somoy tuto public is samutangay ba tumo paye late time sampai barata sampai ekta. Some people may say I am a delirious crazy. We should be crazy to what we are, in what work or what sort of profession we do. Apa pada tulo samuni pura pe jini insano to ka wang ke pura pe jini insano hoile kapore to mona tumo hoi jini insano to ka pura paye ama mu pai kade ye ek 1 glass of water paye pai mo ba ani no yang ni posa no ani bisa paye la so paye mane abo se tu parent ayo. And other than this, as a parent chuma pata mo nai chu student ang tiyo na sa je chu ta mo nai. As a parent, what do we expect? Chung nayo dini mo mon for school jini student ni fee khoksa ni student jini sani fee kuso 1500 jini sani tuition fee how much? As a parent, to make you a beautiful person, to exist on this beautiful planet, to live a challengeable life in this challengeable society, your parents contribute a lot. To monthly 1500 yanai, gari bara yanai, tuition fee yanai, other more curriculum activities of your contribution, family maintenance, some parents don't struggle to. Apno chumsa hisabe, as a student, as a children, you must understand. Our parents na yung sani sakamo. Be parents expect from a student, from a child, that let my child study comfortably, grow, and become someone in a society where I can have peace at the end of the day. Ako si jinim mang panayo. Amo panawo tinipon imsiyo. To school ko ito jinim sano. How many hours the student or the child remain with the parents? During the day, maximum time a child spends in the school. Chumbusi ke point of sa, father, brother. I was most of the time with the CCNP, so my tongue slip of tongue, but I'm saying father. So sorry, brother. We as a parent, we send our child happily. We have the trust the school will take care of my child. How many hours my child remain in the school? They come from home at 8 o'clock and they reach here by some 8:15 and they reach home again by 3:30. So how many hours here they are in the school with you all? Abo pandamoro jagamo. School teachers and the school authority also has a very much role to play. Boni jagamo chung parents chung workplace thamo jini master isaka to bisa sawo school principal isaka to bisa sawo committee isaka to bisa sawo. Yes, my child is safe in Montfort school. before school. My child is learning more other than bookies knowledge, other co-curriculum activities. My child is learning. Abo expectation by jo guardian of the insano school of yo. Abo panama samsumo ke bose. My special request to the teachers. My special request to the teachers. I don't know where are the teachers. I know our respected teachers are well qualified and giving their dedication to this school, to the private missionary school, with a bare minimum salary. It is not sufficient in today's day to work with few thousands. It is very hard for them. But in spite of their limited salaries, not looking for how much amount they are being paid, they have dedicated, they are giving their best education to the children. Ang tini jod to guardian sono, jod to guardian na kaya ini koi mukto na yang ese guardian. Cini school authority, abu cini master ni bang pandamo, cumpai kira mana ko tayo. Cini master mai school authority bang pandamo. According to me, before I joined politics, I was a small setup by me. I was teaching. I taught tuition. I taught my own children. Today, one of my students, Arpitaria from Holy Cross, Corbo, she is the team captain of the girls band. They participated in a state. Now they were selected and they have gone out of state. Why I am saying this? Education is giving and taking. Education is not that I receive double PhD. When I die, I am going to carry the certificate. Being educated is not enough if I cannot share something to somebody else. If I am educated, I should make somebody like me. Ang itu sikhok basik mana lekha na gyan jibi na kete kaya na pa ang ke ma kenai. Abo kasi education meaning. Abo pandamo ang just was share kem chuma ke pose. I started a small nursery with only 11 students before I came into politics. I collected all the students from every house. I took only 1,000 for admission, and the school fee was only 300. My aim is not to earn money, but I know in that area, in that remote area, there is no English medium school. So what will happen without receiving English medium school? Though there is a Bengali medium, there was no proper education. So I was worried, what will happen to these children? I collected them, I taught them for 3 years. And I am so proud. Class 1, KG1, KG2 and class 1. After that, I discontinued the nursery and all my students have gone to Depasora school and to Holy Cross around Gorgorwa. The most important, beautiful that I felt very proud was class 1. I taught them up to class 1. My children from a very small village, they went for an admission test in the Depasora Holy Cross School and Corbo in class 3. Class 3 higher student and they got selected. That is, I feel very proud. What I want to say is here, whatever work we do, and at the end of the day, that work should give me satisfaction at the end of the day. We should not regret. Why did I not teach in a so-and-so class in those days? If I could teach in those days little more better, today my students would have reached in that position. Such type of regret should not come to the teachers. That is what I want to request. So as a parent, but as a teacher, suppose for example, let God forbid, I pray, let the Montfort school shine. Let the Montfort school become the top school in Tripura. That is my wish, my desire, and I pray, and my full support will be for this school. And to make it there, only the infrastructure, beautifying the infrastructure is not enough. What happens in that infrastructure is more important. The importance of the school, the value of the school will depend on the output of the students, the results of the students, and to give the students best performance, whose roles are more important here? 3 roles are more important. Most important, our parents' activities, parents' guide, chung ma phang sano ma nai nai no mo time mari nai sano what it ani sa school ti ta mo pore pai ani sa no homework de to ani sa yang school fee maya ani sa no school fee maya ani sa ti school opo man da uye to abo mai 7 paisa chung abo nai kai ani school sa ni dress ma uye to ani sa ni dress ki ti ko to abo na school is very wrong sing ga in nai mami ta ni dilo ke very sensitive days abo ko suma nai nai and the teachers I request the Mongkok teachers to speak only in English, and to teach them a perfect pronunciation. Especially Father, Brother Principal, I would request. I am also the product of Catholic mission. I stayed in the hostel for 11 years. Being the first batch of the school, I studied in St. Joseph School, Manipur, in Karimganj district. Rest of my education, I spent in Assam. So, being the first batch of the school, you face a lot of challenges. I never had the taste of wearing a socks or shoes. In Assam, you know how difficult it is. There was no electricity, no water connection. Computer ni sopno to do se de. Current troi school chung jota makaya. Asuk problem jaga chung or ye paye po. I need batch. My classmates, all of them got government job. There does not our school facility by our school building hamo baya. Teachers, how they teach in the school, how the school authority run, that matters. Our is most important. Our pandawa bono samchuo, time pong sawo, school ni value, school important, building baya, students ni performance by. Student ni performance hamna ki teacher ni major role tunai, parents ni role tunai. Our pandawa chung teachers, parents and the school authority, when we combine together, we can make our students excellent in this world. Chung themai jin insano chung mama ya nai. Amo panomo ang tri college sanenaya, boso ang sanai, ang tiri guardians mo diha request sanai. Ro jin guardians of chung chakri khenai tongba. Chung ro ko su bojon chakri khenai to, chung jo kono tang sanai. Ar ko chung borang diha request khen chung ke bosi. Fathers and sisters and the brothers, the missionary schools are not being set up to earn money. Missionary school asal mole, rakuti ajaran berpandaya. The maqsad of the mission of the school. That is why it is called mission. Am I right, brother? It is called mission. Why? The aim and objective of the Catholic mission, the private school, is to help the society educationally and socially. Yes, in this world there is no all free. Magnajinis may magtroy. Even oxygen, COVID is all of us, we were scared to die and all mask, manes, oxygen cylinder by tomato. Ab oxygen ki free there. Oxygen ki free ya. Oh, sa tawo free ki chukrol. Let us contribute. So school fee na. There are 12 months in a year. There are holidays. But teachers will not say, brother, this December month and January month is a season of celebration. Since we didn't teach, you need not to pay us salary. Teachers will not say that. They have to pay. That is the system of the school. Arabo pandapo chuma hapono holiday to go master on the salary mario. So school fee or mari like time to die. Chini school functioning system ro kham yang mano abo panda chini mara to parents ro abo no bisa motor mari like abo pandapo am track on college saya chini students nimsio tini teacher on last to on sign chuma on behalf of the parents. My last request to the teachers only bono chung kaham ke perform kena kaham ke chini sano chungna especially chung ti prai chawo chung emon jaga ko chung to silayo chung emna se pon la chok ti plasan sio chini sam to drug science ba suicide ke chini number chung ko me thana abo pandawa chini teachers no along with education along with teaching moral education is very much important in today's day. Moral education to marry children now. How to get socialized about to marry getting too much involved in social media. Our children, some of them, they remain inside. They don't want to get socialized. About the problem abo pandawo chu lekhani bare mo socialist onima mo mix ke onima program participate kemaro chu tin student ono chu encourage ma kenai. If your student becomes someone doctor, engineers or pilot or politician, successful person, no, you as a teacher will cry if you happen to meet your student out of joy. And you will say, yes, once upon a time, that boy was my student. You will say proudly. But if your student happens to take a drug and lie somewhere, begging somewhere on the street, and if you happen to meet your student as a drug addict, will you introduce yourself? Will you tell other people that this is my student? I don't think so. I don't think so. You will hide from the child. No. Even if someone said that was your student from Montfort, you will say no. You will deny because you will be ashamed to say that yes, he or she was my student. But today lying on the street as a drug addict, as a beggar. Amo panaw so, as a teacher, more than parents ni count like teacher or ni count ni student now. I as a parent, one day I have experience from my daughter. My daughter was pronouncing wrongly one word. I said, no, that is not the correct pronunciation, it is like this. She said, no, my teacher taught me like this. So that my child was ready to listen what her student, her teacher taught. Therefore, I request the respected teachers to pay a little bit attention on particulars. Yeah, I have nothing more to say. I am very much happy. One more thing, I can keep myself not sharing, I want to share. I go through this road to different programs and I see how our school is running. When I pass by this, one day my daughter, the younger one, told me, Mother, you know what is happening to our school? We have a big auditorium and it looks like 5-star hotel, she said. I need to try some, Mama, she is in the school, Asu Potoma, Tango, 5-star hotel high. Asu can I come? So the children, they carry what they see in the school and what they hear, what they see and what they do, and they go and practice at home. So I'm very much happy and I am proud to be as a parent, as a part of this Montfort school. So thank you very much. Thank you to all the parents. Thank you teachers. Thank you brothers, sisters, and the fathers of course. You all have dedicated all your life. Brothers and sisters, they have come across many handsome men, many pretty ladies in their life. They have dedicated their life. They have decided, yes, I need to go on success to be there. I need to go on break a hampai sa mobile. Ang sila ka hampai sa mobile. Abay ni sila benefit ng nai. Himati thousands of people who are away from the education, who are unsocialized. They are backward play tonight. They don't put the supply to men. Ang bansa yan sa unay, ang somas iba pandang sa tanay mo sa sumsito ko. Wrong way ang pamako na ito. Brother, thank you very much. We have dedicated your life. Because of your struggle, today my colleague told me one of our former principal is here. Among the two, who is the former principal? Father, who is he? Brother, thank you very much. You all have struggled a lot in establishing this institution. In return, we the Prasa or the Montfort families, we could give you nothing, but our biggest gift will be our support, our prayers, good health. We cannot exchange neither gold by diamond nor we can buy. I pray to Almighty God that all of you have a good health and carry out your mission more successfully. And at the end of the day, may you have a satisfactory life and accepted by God. Thank you to the sisters, brothers, and fathers. Jotona hambai, klumpa satna.
Next, we have Garo Tribe's fashion show. Garo is defined by its unique matrilineal system, vibrant harvest festivals like Pongala, Trans festivals. of the whole community. The community has its own distinct folk dance known as Hai Ha. Next, Koloi. The Koloi are one of the oldest tribes in Tripura, known for their unique customs, food, habits, and tradition administration. Next, Ranghal are one of Mongolic descent, are known for their distinct cultural and also known for the festival Rol Sepal. Next, Mizo. Mizo culture is rich in music, dance, especially the bamboo dance charo. Noatia. The term Noatia primarily refers to a village in Greek Macedonia whose contemporary culture is predominantly Pontic Greek. Now, let's all come together and join our hands together. Thank you one and all for your presence and encouragement.
Thanks to all our beautiful prince and princesses for taking us to the world of fashion and style. Are you ready for some serious street style swagger? Hip hop is about to take over the stage. Watch as our dancers demonstrate popping, locking, breaking, and freestyle moves with confidence and attitude. The beats are sick, the moves are slick, and the energy is absolutely electric. Put your hands together for the Streets of Classroom for their amazing hip hop dance.
Lots of appreciation to all our dancers for the spell-binding dance form. Now, we celebrate the spirit of sports. It's time to showcase athletic prowess. Sports teach discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and the importance of maintaining a healthy body. Watch as our young athletes exhibit strength, flexibility, and true sportsmanship. Let me invite the students of Class 6 for their athletic performance.
शेयर खायना बागै दिनै जे पेरेन्ट्स रक मानजाब माया माया
Thank you, friends, for your acrobatic performance. The stage is set for another dose of contemporary energy with our modern dance performance. Modern dance is about innovation, breaking convention, and creating something fresh and exciting. Watch as our performers execute fluid movements and innovative choreography that pushes boundaries. Please welcome the students of Class 3 for their modern dance.
Lots of appreciation to our little buddies for their wonderful dance movements. Get ready for Get ready for something incredibly entertaining. Our creative cosplay presentation. Students will transform themselves into beloved characters from history, literature, cinema, and popular culture. From superheroes to historical figures, each costume has been meticulously crafted and presented. Let's welcome our cosplayers with enthusiastic cheers. The character parade begins. Ladies and gentlemen, from magical Disney kingdoms to anime world, today, costumes come alive and imagination takes the stage. Get ready to cheer, clap, and be amazed. Let the cosplay showcase begin. So here comes the dream team straight out of Malibu and style in one duo, Barbie and Ken. But now watch out everyone. The mischief master himself is here. Give it up for Shin Chan. Let's give him a round of applause. Now, from the bustling streets of Zootopia. Put your paws together for Judy Hobbs and Nick Wilde. From the grand line to this stage, stretching into action and always hungry for adventure. It's Luffy! Thank you, Luffy, for the glimpse of your spark. Now, from the royal kingdom and full of grace, magic and heart, please welcome Sophia the First.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. A whole enchanting world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be here.
A truly radiant performance, Sophia. Now, here comes the dark, witty, and delightfully creepy. It's Wednesday Addams. A hauntingly performance. Truly Wednesday Addams. Now, let us move on to the next play. Love, love, and a little bit spooky. It's Mavis and Johnny from Hotel Transylvania.
Feel me now? That's my girlfriend, suckers.
Your wife, Johnny.
My wife, even better.
That was sick, lady. Where did you learn how to do that stuff? Transylvania. That's cool.
What an energetic and adorable duo. Now, for our fantasy lovers. From classic tales to modern magic, it's a world of wonder. Give it up for our Disney characters. It's Elsa and Anna.
Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It's gonna have to be a snowman. Okay, bye.
Now, prepare to be spellbound, straight from the her enchanting slumber. Here comes Aurora, also known as Sleeping Beauty, and her prince.
If love has a choice here as well, there is no magic or curse that can ever tell me about.
A fairy tale on stage. What a beautiful performance! From a tale as old as time, beastly, bravery, and beauty tours. Here's Bella and the Beast.
It's wonderful.
enchanted. From midnight magic to royal ball. Let's hear it from Cinderella, everyone. From royal ball to our heart, you to shine as bright their light. One final hour, one last burst of fantasy. Let's get ready for one last enchanting moment on stage. Here comes the princess who captured a kingdom's heart. Let's welcome our beloved Snow White. Enchanting act. Thank you, everyone.
Hambai bayat kucing shongno, norong ina thong kuno muni bagui, jorate cini kapang lo shoton. Tabu orang jengno, Christmas jeng besi kuta norong shawoi, ternok musai kuno ngai. Fadi hingga jeng tabu, cini reng sini, senai jengno, borong bimusa muni bagui, lam sebelah ngai.
I request the parents please do not take their children home till the whole program is over. I request parents please do not take their children home till the program is fully over. Thank you.
Sini program pa asap nor ni chere rongno nogo ke bota tlang di abo kaisa sini koi bunga harjang nai abo bagi ke bo parents sok tom no program pa kan dei borong musai pa kan dei kha koi no otlang ni tom kan ro khai phiri ambai.
Now, in the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to the city of Galilee named Nazareth to a virgin betrothed to a man whose name was Joseph of the house of David. The angel said to Mary, "Rejoice, highly favored, what the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women." Mary was troubled at the saying and considered what according to your will. And the angel departed from her. Then Joseph, her husband, being a just man and not wanting to make her a public example, was minded to put her away secretly. But while he thought about these things, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream, saying,
Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take you, Mary your wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Spirit, and she will bring forth a son, and you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins.
Then Joseph arose from sleep and did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. And it came to pass in those days that a decree went out from Augustus that all the world should be registered, so everyone want to put her city away. And Joseph also went out from Galilee to Judea, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, to be registered with Mary, his betrothed wife, who was with child while they were there. She brought for her son and wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid in a manger, because there was no room. That night, in the field near Bethlehem, some shepherds were keeping watch over their flock by night. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. And they were greatly afraid. Then the angel said to them,
Do not be afraid, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which will be to all people, for there is born to you in this day, in the city of David, a Savior who is Christ the Lord, and this will be the sign to you. You will find a baby wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger.
Hey, the king has been born. The king has been born. Let's go. Come on, let us go. Let us worship him. Yes. Now, after Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea, in the days of Herod, the king behold, wise men from the east came to Jerusalem. Where is he who has been born, the King of Jews? For we have seen a star in the east and have come to worship him. When Herod heard these things, He was troubled, led and called the chief priests and scribes, where the Christ was to be born. Go and search directly for the young child, and when you found, bring me word that I too may come and worship him. When they had listened to the king, they went their way, and behold that star which has been seen in the east, in its rising went before them, until it came and stood over the place where the young child was. Then they saw the star, they were tiring with joy, and on going into the house, they saw the child and Mary his mother, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Hence opened their treasure box, they present to him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
mesmerizing performance. We also wish you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Music fills the air once more as our talented choir returns for another melodious song. This group song represents unity, collaboration, and the beauty of working together. Let the melody wash over you and enjoy this wonderful musical presentation. Let me invite our students of class 10 for the group song.
Thank you, friends, for your meaningful and melodious song. Hold on tight, because we're about to rock this place with an electrifying performance. Our obsession, energy, and raw passion translated into movement. From headbangs to power moves, this performance has it all. Let's rock this auditorium. Welcome our rock dancers of class 12 for a Western dance.
Good boy and good scholar.
now present a truly special treat, a live orchestra performance by our young talented musicians will be transported into a world where melody, rhythm, and harmony converge beautifully. From strings to percussion, each section plays a vital role in creating this magnificent. Sit back and let the enchanting sounds of our orchestra fill your hearts with joy. Let's welcome the school musician for the orchestra.
I request all the parents, please be seated, and all the students, those are out, those who have completed your item, you please come and sit in the auditorium. Ang parents no request kayo, cerai rong nota kelang di nogo, sini program payo ko, je payasak cerai rong no kisah kelang di auditorium makan.
Hello, check. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Thank you, friends, for your marvelous and enchanting performance. Prepare for something spectacular, a dance drama that beautifully combines artistry with meaningful message. Every movement has meaning, every expression tells a story, and every sequence carries a message that speaks to the heart. Through innovative choreography and compelling storytelling, our performers will take you to an emotional journey. Please welcome our performers of Class 9 for this magnificent dance.
Please give a huge round of applause for our Bhubagra.
Formed the then NGO Tripraha Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, is an NGO to assist stranded people during the COVID crisis. Through his effort, students and workers living in various cities of India were brought back to Tripura to reach their homes. A great service indeed, sir. Later, the NGO became a political party. When I called him first to get his consent available to be the chief guest, I spoke to him over the phone and he was very warm. I do not know him earlier, but he was very warm and said, sure, I will come. Then to confirm with the invitation letter, I went to his residence, the palace. There, the first question he asked me was, why did you come here? You could have just send the invitation through WhatsApp. This touched me a lot. A person of such a great excellence just telling me, hey, WhatsApp is enough. I was so impressed of his humility and respect for every human person. A person simple and extremely good at heart. A person for the other. A person with compassion and enormously service-minded. A mass leader that we could see him when the time he entered there. So many are prostrating before him. It just indicates what popular leader he is, and he is the real Maharaja for Tripura people. Sir, we are privileged and overwhelmed by your gracious present nominees. Now we shall welcome sir with a Disha love bouquet. I request sir to come over here to receive. So we are indeed honored and happy. Thank you, sir. May God bless all our efforts. We shall pray for our Bhubagra in a special way. Thank you.
Hambai, tamu ni bejebo, nzamu bukha, kaisa ka shodomu, de kanja ni funuman, jung borang ni oh hai ba jaika, This is a folktale from our beautiful land of Tripura. Yes, this is the story of two sisters, Raima and Saima. Raima and Saima took charge of the home, working hard to maintain the family's livelihood. One day, as the two sisters were laboring in the whole field, a sudden and fierce storm swept through the hills. Rain poured down heavily and wind howled. The sisters had nowhere to seek shelter and tried hiding under a tree. Saima was shivering. Seeing Saima's plight, Raima's heart ached. Filled with sorrow, she let it go. Whoever built a garden for us, I will marry him, be it any creature. With that pledge, they returned at home. The next morning, when they arrived at the home, to their amazement, they found a beautiful new garden standing tall and ready to shelter them. Raima remembered her promise. She knew that she had to honor it. She then, at lunchtime, asked for her sister, Saima dear, call for your brother-in-law. Whoever he is, he will definitely come. And I am ready to accept him as my husband. To their shock, a large python fluttered out of a forest. Saima was terrified. But Raima, seeing the python in the form of human, remained calm. The python, who was Raima's husband, they were most of the food, leaving the sisters with very little to eat. This continued daily. Raima's husband would eat with them. But soon, the sisters became thinner. The priest, their father, noticed their daughters becoming weak and frail. Concerned, he asked Saima what had happened. And Saima told the entire story. Outraged at the thought of Python being his son-in-law, the priest devised a plan to kill the creature. He then sent Raima away for some work. He and Saima went to the garden, and as usual, Saima called for her brother-in-law. The python appeared, and when Saima told him that their father was present, she suggested that he should respect by touching the feet. The python, unaware of the trap, bent down, and the father killed him. And in very moment, Raima could feel unsettling sensation. Her jewelry, her bangles, all fell down from her body.
Ang puhilaw na naroon tulong mas kami ang parang tulong ka. Honorable Principal, Honorable Teachers, Parents, EMs, MDCs, Leaders, ang basic of सकला इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम हुआ है आज. I don't want to talk too much. Father, first of all, can I start by saying that the biggest clap, tali, should be for every one of the students who are here. It's very nice, बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के कि Aarti Prasa boys and girls, they have not only highlighted our Prasa culture, they have also performed Punjabi dance, they have performed dance from Gujarat, Rajasthan. लेकिन फादर मेरा एक सवाल है, वो दिन कब आएगा जब कोई राजस्थान से, कोई पंजाब से, कोई बंगाल से, कोई गुजरात से हमारा गरिया, हमारा सांगोमा, हमारा ख्वाजागिरी, हमारा तिप्रासा डांस करेगा. उस दिन, जिस दिन दे विल डू हमारा कल्चर, मुझे भी लगेगा कि रिस्पेक्ट दोनों तरफ से होगा. रिस्पेक्ट सिर्फ हम लोगों को नहीं देना चाहिए, हमारा जाति को भी इज्जत मिलना चाहिए. और कितने खूबसूरती से boys and girls, our Sikha city have done this. Really wonderful. एक दिन मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ कि कोई पंजाबी हमारा करिया डांस करे, तब मैं बोलूँगा कि हमने आपका कल्चर को, आपका आइडेंटिटी को, आपका इतिहास को इज्जत दिया. आप भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वी आर फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वी आर तिप्रासा पीपल, यू शुड ऑल्सो लर्न अबाउट अस. To all the teachers here, you all are from outside, some are local, and I appreciate you because I myself have studied in North East, in St. Edmund's School, St. Anthony's College. लेकिन I have always had, मेरे दिल में एक दर्द हमेशा रहा. Why we learn about Quit India movement, we learn about Tamil Nadu, we learn about the Aryans, we learn about the Mughals, we learn about the British. In our school books, whether it is ICSE, whether it is CBSE, not even one chapter is on the Tiprasa people or on the Northeastern people. We are also Indians, लेकिन हमारा इतिहास को कहीं भी नहीं सिखाया जाता है. लेकिन हमको सीखना पड़ता है मुगल ने क्या किया, अंग्रेज ने क्या किया, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 में क्या हुआ, साउथ इंडिया में क्या हुआ. लेकिन हमारा जो पुराना इतिहास है, हमारा जो कल्चर है, it has never been appreciated in the national curriculum. I think the time has come for all of us to also speak about our history, our identity. Coming back to Montfort, एक कहानी है, many of you all don't know, आप लोगों को मालूम भी नहीं होगा. आज से almost 27 years ago, Father, there was a small boy in Montfort. And that's the first time I found out about Montfort. He was a Koloi, छोटा सा जवान लड़का था, maybe 14 years old. Montfort had thrown him off. So he came to Shillong. I was also very young, maybe not Javani. I sponsored his education in St. Anthony's College. And today, that boy from Montfort is professor in the Tripura Central University, Sunil Paloi. The first time, जिंदगी में पहले बार मैंने कोई तिपरासा को अपने पॉकेट से पैसा दिया था, वो लड़का को दिया था जिसको शिलोंग में पढ़ने के लिए पैसा नहीं था। उस समय मैंने उसको 25,000 रुपए दिए। आज वो लड़का त्रिपुरा सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोफेसर बनते हैं। इट इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू द तिपरासा पीपल दैट हम वी वर टुगेदर, पहले भी था, आज भी है, आगे भी रहेंगे। टू ऑल ऑफ यू, आप लोग यहाँ में जो है, यहाँ में ऑल माय सेक्युलर सिटीज, you are the future. You are the future of Tripura. और अगर कल कोई आपको बोले कॉर्पोरेट बांग्ला में लिखो, नहीं लिखना। We will write in our language that we want to write. चिनी सेक्युलर रॉक से चिनी भविष्य, चिनी सेक्युलर रॉक से चिनी भविष्य, चुप के मुनि कलम बन गया। We are proud Tiprasas. We are proud Tiprasas. और किसी से डरो मत। आपका जो अधिकार है, your right will be achieved if there is Khansa. अंके बोली क्रिया, आप भी डरो मत। We as Tiprasa people, यहाँ में हो, कहीं में भी हो, Tiprasa people, as people of Northeast, हमको भी अधिकार है बोलने के लिए कि हमको क्या चाहिए और क्या नहीं चाहिए। तो कोई अगर आपको कल आकर कुछ बोले, ये आपका चॉइस है, दिस इज योर चॉइस। कोई आपको बोल नहीं सकता है क्या सही है क्या गलत है। नुकसाई मानो सबो कहाम सबो कमियां। Father, I will not make a long speech. All I want to say is, यहाँ में खानसा है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? देखो, एक उंगली लो, one finger, ऐसा एक हाथ करो, ऐसा करो, दो उंगली लो, तीन उंगली लो, चार, पांच। If we fight as Devarma, एक उंगली. If we fight as Dhruv, two unglies. If we fight as Jamatya, three. If we fight as Monsum, four. If we fight as Tiprasa, there's Khansa, sound बढ़ता है। ये मैसेज है, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइडेड वी विल लूज। और माय नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जेन ज़ी, आप लोग नहीं हारेगा। यू विल नेवर लूज, यू विल नेवर लूज। यू नो व्हाई? आपका बुबाकरा आपके साथ खड़ा है, आपको कभी हारने नहीं देगा। टू ऑल द टीचर्स, यहाँ में जो टीचर्स है, फैकल्टीज है, I respect you. Sisters, I respect you. You know why I respect you? Because your family is your student. You know, Father, why I respect you? You are coming from Kerala and you are teaching our students to be better people. I respect you. And if there are some people who will judge you because of your religion, there are some people who will judge you because you look different from rest of India. There are some people who want to divide us. Let us take a promise. New Year is coming. 2026 आ रहा है. Promise कि हमको कोई divide नहीं कर सकता in the name of religion. in the name of language, in the name of who we are. Shatru hai, there are many enemies. We have many enemies. And those enemies are scared of us. You know why they are scared? They are scared of our unity. They are scared of our tansa. That's why they want to divide us. In the name of script, Bangla script, Wakura, Kaupu, Devnagari, divide. In the name of religion, Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, divide. In the name of community, Deparma, Jamatia, Riyang, Monsong, Kaipe, Tripura, Murasi, Mob, divide. Rupini, divide. लेकिन don't be divided. हमारा एक ही ताकत है. हमारा ताकत है. Our power lies in the unity and the future of our next generation. क्योंकि we were not united, क्योंकि हम लोग divided थे, आज अपना ही हानि पुसा, तिपरासा, तिपराचा, आज second class citizen हो चुका है. लेकिन if we can unite for our children, if we can unite for our secular city, for our young children, अगर आज हम लोग एक हो गए, मेरा next generation त्रिपुरा में आगे जाएगा और यहाँ का शासन भी अपना होगा. चीनी हाथ, चीनी नाइक और अपना. My name is Pratyot Vikram Manikya, and I am a proud Tiprasa. ये कोई मुझसे नहीं ले जा सकता है. I'm the Pula Tiprasa, Pula Kumatra. And Montfort, from Montfort, I am saying this to all of you. आप लोग बुबागरा के साथ है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? यहाँ से है कि नहीं? अगर आप मेरे साथ हैं ना, कोई भी बुबागरा को छू नहीं सकता, हरा नहीं सकता, क्योंकि बुबागरा अपना लिए फाइट नहीं कर रहा है. I am not fighting for myself. मैं अपने लिए फाइट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मुझे रंग पैसा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे जगह नहीं चाहिए. मैं अपना नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, अपना तिपरासा, अपना सेकुलर सेक्युलर के लिए फाइट कर रहा हूँ. Father, once again, Belai no Hambai, Father, for inviting me. I am very happy that you invited me, and I promise you, I will always help one from school, whether I am in power or not in power, or my capacity I will help you. आपने मेरे लोगों को हेल्प किया. You help Tiprasa as Bubagra. I will always help Montfort for helping my people. And in the end, to all parents, जो parents हैं, प्लीज एक चीज समझो, ये आपके बारे में नहीं है, आपके बच्चे के बारे में. दिस इज अबाउट योर चिल्ड्रन. आपका टाइम गया, मेरा टाइम नहीं गया, लेकिन अगर इनको हमने अच्छा भविष्य दिया तो सिर्फ आप नहीं, हमारा पूरा दफा आगे बढ़ेगा. एंड इसके लिए मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलता हूँ, अपना स्वार्थ मत देखो, अपना बच्चा का भविष्य देखो. आपने कष्ट खाया, आप गरीबी देखा, आपको आपके खिलाफ नाइंसाफी हुआ, आई फील इट. लेकिन ये जो आपका कष्ट था, ये आपका बच्चा को नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके लिए थांसा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Belai no Hambai, and I love you all. I love you. I'm Nono Hamjago. And I will always love you. Mwah. और ये जो Dear Tiprasad, I love you and I will always be with you. Belai no hambai kuluka Tiprasad bapa ayukloko Montfort School ayukloko. Belai no hambai.
Thank you, sir, for your words of motivation and inspiration. And you also made us proud by your kind presence to this institution. I also take this opportunity and request our chief guest to felicitate a few of our friends of this institution for their excellence in the field of art and culture. May I invite Miss Veronica Jamatia and Miss Katrina Daborna, who secured first position for storytelling, and Master Francis Lalram Nimpuya, who secured third position for poetry writing in the state level Kalahotsav events, which were held recently. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. As the magnificent day draws to a close, it's time to express our heartfelt gratitude. We thank our chief guests, distinguished guests, principal, teachers, parents, and all our talented students. May I request our SPL, Master Direct Deborah, to kindly come forward and deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest, Bupakra, Brother Bikram Manikya Debruma, Special Guest, Srimati Dodoriya, Honorable E.N., Social Welfare, TTA MDC, Mr. Ganesh Debruma, MDC, Brother Principal, Brother Vice Principal, Coordinator, Brothers, Sisters, distinguished members of the staff, dear most members, parents, and my dear all friends. A very warm good afternoon to each and everyone present here. I, Dayar Debruma, on behalf of the entire school, deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. At the very outset, I humbly offer my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for His divine blessings, guidance, and grace, which enabled the successful conduct of this program. I extend my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Bupakra, for graciously accepting our invitation and for inspiring words shared with us. Your presence has added immense value to this occasion. I express my sincere thanks to our special guest, Srimati Dodoriya, Honorable E.M., Social Welfare, TTA MDC, Your presence means a lot to us, and we hope you enjoy this wonderful celebration with us today. I place on record my sincere appreciation to our respected Brother Principal and Vice Principal for their visionary leadership, constant guidance, and unwavering support, without which this event would not have been possible. I sincerely thank our honorable parents for their trust, encouragement, and their presence in all our school undertakings. My appreciation is extended to the organizing committee for their careful planning and dedicated efforts in making this program a grand success. I thank our teaching staff for their guidance, not just in classrooms, but in everything we do. Also the non-teaching staff for their valuable support in doing behind-the-scenes work. I appreciate the efforts and talents of all the students for their enthusiastic participation and discipline. Your patience and energy are what makes our school so vibrant. I convey my special thanks to the volunteers, our class 12 students, for their commitment and selfless service in ensuring the smooth conduct of this event. In conclusion, I extend my best wishes to all for an advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026. Thank you. Kambai.
Thank you, Dayar, for your words of gratitude. We now conclude this wonderful day by singing our school anthem together. May I request everyone to please rise for the school anthem. Let us all sing together in unison.
School, attention!
I request the students from 6 to 12 before you leave. After all the parents leave the auditorium, we will bring back the benches to the class. I request all the students from 6 to 12 kindly if you can remain back. 6 to 12 kindly remain back. Once the auditorium is free, we will carry back the benches.
Staff of Hanford School, you are requested to come up the stage. All the staff of the school, we will be having a formal daily week of teachers of the school, please come on the stage. Photo will be taken with our chief guest. Dear teachers, please move fast. Students from 6 to 12, you are requested to take your bench back to your own classrooms. All the students, class 6 to class 12, you are requested to take your bench back to your classrooms. Students from 6 to 12, you are requested to take back your own benches and classrooms. Class 6 to